Governor of Goa, Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai, to grace the occasion with a presidential speech.
Our Chief Justice of India, our dynamic Chief Minister, all other distinguished and my dear friends. I am extremely happy today because the Chief Justice of India is releasing a book published by the Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan has already published 22 books, and today, sitting Chief Justice of India, I, as a part of the fraternity, legal fraternity, because my wife is a lawyer, my son-in-law, whole family connected to legal field, and our Chief Justice is concerned. Of course, in the welcome speech regarding the arguments referred here, I am not repeating it because only I am having 5 minutes time. Important 3 things I noted in our Honorable Chief Justice is that Chief Justice of India, Sri Chandrachudji, took the court to the people. And secondly, our Chief Justice created history by implementing virtual court and live streaming. You can go in. Third, promoting local languages in judicial system. I mean, judgments translated into local languages. It is told that more than 10,000 judgments are, in fact, translated in local languages. In 1956, I think so, subject to corruption from my memory. There was an amendment in favor of these local languages. But I'm not blaming anybody. But local languages, such importance we have not given. Of course, our language and other things are not coming to that point. But judgments translated in local languages means throughout India, the judgments are not confined to legal fraternity or academicians. Instead of that, common people throughout India, in their own language, they are able to read it. That is one of the greatest achievements. Of course, Mahatma Gandhi, a good writer, but he always preferred to write in Gujarati. Maximum number of books. He is one of the best lawyer also in South Africa. His income was $15,000 at that time. Nobody is not on that. Then he specifically insisted for his local languages. Sir, your time is and I am not going to any point because time is limited. Now India is considered as the most vibrant democracy in the world. I am remembering one thing. Immediately after our constitution came into existence, the world famous constitutional expert Ivor Jennings, he visited Madras University and made a speech there. In that I am not going to the details. Too long, too rigid. He criticized not only the contents in the book, but the Constituent Assembly members also indirectly. He made some unnecessary comments according to me. But you see, our constitution stood as test of time after 70 years or 73, 74 years after that. But Ivor Jennings prepared the constitution for Ceylon, Nepal, without any prejudice to anybody. I would like to say, Ceylon constitution at that time, 1950s, Nepal constitution at that time, they have not completed 10 years and thrown away by the people. But our constitution is just like a Bhagavad Gita or Quran. or Bible. And I'm very happy to say that dignity of our judicial system, maximum respect to Constitution given by our courts, especially Supreme Court, and of course difference of opinion may be there. What is the meaning of democracy? Right to differ. Various views are there, and I'm very happy to say that our Chief Justice of India is here to release the book of Rajabal, and legal field also. Once upon a time, freedom struggle and thereafter also, the lawyers are more and more involved in public activities. I don't know now, but one coming in my mind, I am not saying whether money alone is a criteria for the people. Always I am saying, our Constitution's mandate is that people are supreme. And we are servants, including governor. We are doing service to the people. We are bound to do service to the people. But at the same time, three pillars of our Constitution. Of course, our Constituent Assembly never anticipated any violation of the Lakshmana Rekha of three organs. Here, Chief Minister of India, and Merces there. So we have to keep it, the Lakshmana Rekha properly, and we are growing day by day. In the world now, our country is accepted as the most important democratic setup in the world, and as far as judiciary is concerned, I am also part of the legal fraternity. In that way, the final person and respecting not protocol or anything, but Chief Justice of India, he himself, the Lordship is going to release my book. My book already Secretary stated I am not taking time, and I am so much thankful to all of you for attending this function. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.